Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Frank here to do your calendar review. Calendar review. Calendar review. Alrighty, I hope you guys are having a great morning so far, and let's get into it. Let's have a high five. Say, we can do it! And let's get started. All right, so let's click on our next coin. Oh, that number is 26. What coin is that? What coin is that? What do you think? Did you say a dime? Good job. I didn't give you any hints today. Alrighty, let's see. So I'm coming up from my dime, small and silver, and to find the day of the week. Ooh, it is Thursday today. So let's go ahead and okay, I want to hear it. Today is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. That's right, boys and girls. Today is Thursday, March 26th, 2020. All right, let's roll right into our yesterday was, today is, and tomorrow will be. So I know that it is not Sunday, it's not Monday, it's not Tuesday, it's not Wednesday, it's Thursday. That is right. All right, so we have Thursday. Now we need to figure out what was yesterday and what tomorrow will be. Okay, so going backwards, we know that yesterday was going to be what? What was yesterday going to be? Did you say Wednesday? Great job. All right, and going forwards, what is tomorrow going to be? After Thursday comes Friday. That is correct. All right, so yesterday was Wednesday. Oh, good job. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow will be Friday. All right, we're going to move on to our weather. Take a peek out your windows and decide what's the weather today. Is it sunny? Is it partly cloudy? Is it cloudy today? Yeah, today's weather is cloudy. And I'm going to take a graph piece and move that over. So what type of weather has the most? And what type of weather has the least? Can you show me? Did you say that cloudy has the most? Did you say that snowy and rainy have the least? Why would snowy and rainy have the least and not partly cloudy? Can you tell me the answer to that question? What do you think? Is it because these have 0 and this has 1? That's correct. All right. Spiral review. Moni just got scared, so I was looking at her. All right, today is Thursday, so we have 2 questions. Okay, boys and girls? And with our 2 questions, we are going to answer them on paper, on a whiteboard, or out loud to an adult. So here's our first one. So, boys and girls, what I would like you to do on your paper or pointing to your screen for an adult is to make your one more, one less box. And so I'm going to make, let me get big to show you how to do that, to record your answers. So I'm going to make a rectangle and draw 2 lines. Okay? Alrighty. Now we're figuring out one more, one less than 9. So go ahead and put a 9 in that box. Okay? And then figure out what is 1 less than 9 and 1 more than 9. We'll give you some time to think. All right, did you get your answers yet? Okay, I'm going to give you another second. 0. All right, now let's get started. So I have my 9 in my box, okay? And I'm going to decide what is 1 less. All righty. So 1 less than 9. So if I have 9 and I take 1 away, how many am I going to have? Did you say 8? You are correct. I know that 8 is 1 less than 9. So I took 1 away. I put that 9 in my brain. I took 1 away, and I have 8 left. All right. Now, I have 9. I want to know what 1 more than 9 is. All right. So what is 1 more than 9? So I go 9, and then, what comes next? Did you say 10? That is correct. So 8 is 1 less than 9, and 10 is 1 more than 9. All right, boys and girls, ready for your next question? I am. Who remembers what those are called from yesterday? Who can tell me? Tap your nose if you know. Did you say a number bond? That is correct. Way to go. Way to go, guys. It is a number bond. All right, so I know that this is a, what was that? Did you say it was a whole? It's a whole. And these here are the parts. Correct. So we've got our whole and we've got our parts. All right, so I need to figure out what 3 and what makes 5. So boys and girls, you can draw your number bond on your paper. Okay, or you can tell an adult if you know what that last part of 5 is. Okay, I'll give you a minute to think about it. I'm going to draw some circles to show my work. All right, let's go ahead and see if we can find that answer. So I've got 5 circles up here. And how many do I need to put over here? How many? Did you say 3? Good job. So I'm going to put 3 circles over here. Okay, now how many circles do I have left? 1, 2. So 3 and 2 is 5. Thumbs up if you give me a 2. Awesome. All right, boys and girls, this is where we end for today. I am so excited to work with you tomorrow, and I hope you have an excellent day. Bye.